And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Label Box for beginners. So, a brief description about Label Box is that it is a comprehensive data labeling platform that enables to have efficient and accurate data for machine learning projects, and it serves as a centralized hub for managing and labeling datasets. So, how to set up Label Box? So, setting up Label Box is crucial. So, you will simply go to the application and then simply make an account as you are making an account for any other application, sorry, another application. So yeah, uh, system requirements for Label Box is that the specific requirements may be based on the version and the deployment method of Label Box you choose. There are two versions, cloud or desktop. So yeah, just keep that in mind, and when you're making an account, please choose the correct option. uh, it is compatible with every operating system. It has a web browser so that you can solve your problems and contact moderators, and there's no specific hardware specifications. And steps to install a Label Box are to visit their website, click on Get Started, sign up page, choose the deployment method that suits your needs, and just simply follow the instructions they tell you and make an account. And to create an account, open the Label Box application, open their website, click sign up or create account, fill in the required information, agree to the terms and conditions and any other policy after reading it, and then simply click on sign up or create account button to create your account. So yeah, once your account is so yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.